Subtitles.com.
Hello everyone, welcome to JD Experiments. So in this video I'll be making a mini amplifier circuit. It's quite easy to make, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, make sure you subscribe it and make sure you click the bell icon button below. Things you will be needing for this video is a PCB board. You can pause the video to check the dimensions. LM386 IC, a 10 kilo ohm resistor, a male jack pin or whatever you call it, a heat shrink tube, a 220 microfarad capacitor, and a lithium ion battery. This is the circuit diagram. You can pause at any moment and look at the circuit. Place the LM386 IC on the PCB board. Make sure that the U notch on the IC is facing upwards. After placing it, bend one of the legs of the IC such that it holds to the PCB board, and solder all the 8 pins on the IC. Connect the 220 microfarad capacitor. The plus terminal should be connected to the 5th pin, and the negative terminal is for the speaker out. I have connected another capacitor to the 1st and the 8th pin of the IC. Please don't consider it as a part of the circuit diagram. Don't connect the capacitor to the 1st and the 8th pin. Now take a small piece of wire and solder the 2nd and the 4th pin of the IC. Before connecting wire to the 3rd pin of the IC, connect another wire to the 4th pin and another wire to the negative pin of the capacitor. These both wires are connected to the speaker pins. Now connect a wire to the 4th pin of the IC, which is for the negative terminal of the battery, and connect another wire to the 6th pin of the IC, which is for the positive terminal of the battery. Fit those heat shrink tubes to the wires, and I'm going to be using a lighter to shrink those tubes in place. Now connect the wire from the 5th pin and 6th pin of the IC to the speakers. It doesn't have any polarities, so you can solder it however you want. connect two wires to the jack connectors. One wire must be connected to the ground pin of the connector and another must be connected to the positive end of the jack connector. Now solder one end of the resistor to the third pin of the IC and solder the ground pin of the jack connector to the other end of the resistor.